Hello! Welcome to your language studio. I am teacher SARI, and in these videos we're going to practice your vocabulary. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Also, I want to remind you to download the worksheet that you have in the description below. Remember to work on it while you watch this lesson. Today, we're going to talk about opposite adjectives. Let's start!
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher SARI.
Adjectives are words that describe nouns, people, animals, or things. Listen and pay attention to the following examples. Analyze the opposite adjectives.
Happy, sad, big, small, fast, slow, hot, cold, empty, full, strong, weak, wet, dry, impatient, patient, high, low, wide, narrow, beautiful, ugly, cheap, expensive, poor, rich, difficult, easy, sick, healthy, hardworking, lazy.
Perfect! Now practice using these opposite adjectives to describe people, animals, or things. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher SARI and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!